Hello, my name is Marina Whitehouse, and today is 5/24/22, and I'm going to be doing my presentation on the anatomy and physiology of the retina. As you can see here, this is a photo of the eye as a whole, and it shows how the retina plays a huge part in being able to allow the eye to do what it needs to do, such as for seeing. The anatomy of the retina. The retina consists of millions of cells that are compact together and are evenly spread throughout the entire back of the eyes. The first part, pigmented epithelium. 2, it absorbs light to reduce the back reflection of light. 3, the photoreceptor layer. 4, photosensitive segments of rods and cones. 5, the outer layer of the nucleus. 6, cell bodies of rods and cones. 7, outer plexiform layer. 8, synapses between axons of photoreceptors and dendrites of neurons. 9, the inner layer. 10, it contains the cell bodies of intermediate neurons and Mueller cells. 11, the inner plexiform. 12, synapses between intermediate neurons and ganglion cells of the optic tract. 13, the ganglion cells. 14, cell body of ganglion cells. 15, the optic nerve fiber layer. And 16, it contains axons and ganglion cells. So what does it do? The retina helps to capture light that you receive into your eyes and transform it into an image that you can see and process. The retina is vital in transmitting signals to the brain, which helps us understand. Although the eye would still be functional without the retina, it would not send the necessary messages to the brain to help create images. The three-layered retina. The retina consists of 3 parts known as the photoreceptors, inner neurons, and ganglion cells. These neurons can communicate with each other and process information before sending it to the brain. The photoreceptors respond to light and then turn that light into an electrical signal. The ganglion cells receive input from cones, which help you specify every detail. And as you can see here is my works cited. Thank you.